Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make pineapple vermicelli pudding. And for the ingredient we're gonna need, I'm using thick vermicelli. You can use a thin one. This is one pineapple regular size, and in this bowl I have cornstarch and custard powder, vanilla flavor, granulated sugar, cream, vanilla extract, and whole milk. I have a non-stick pan heating over medium heat, and I'm gonna add this vermicelli here. I'm going to roast the vermicelli first, and I'm gonna add some butter, not too much. And now you guys can see how the butter has melted. Make sure you use unsalted butter. And now I'm gonna add some sugar, half of the pineapple. Give it a mix, and now you're gonna reduce the heat a little bit and let this cook. It's been 5 minutes. Now you can smell the pineapple is cooking, and also the vermicelli is like kind of a roasting flavor to it. And now you're gonna turn the heat off. I have a saucepan here. I'm gonna add the milk, add the cream. This is heavy cream, which is 35% thick. And now I'm gonna add my custard powder and the cornstarch or corn flour. As your milk is cold, mix until there is no lumps and everything is dissolved. And now you guys can see how the custard cornstarch has been mixing in the milk. And now I have my heat on over here. Now we're gonna start cooking over medium-low heat. Keep stirring. And it's been 6 minutes. The custard is getting thicker. Add your vanilla extract, eyeballing, 1 teaspoon, and also add the sugar. And now stir quickly, because now this is getting thicker, and you may have lumps if you like just leave it. I'm using wooden spoon right now, which is more easier. And now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, again unsalted. And we're almost done for the custard. Let the butter melt for another 2 minutes. I'm gonna turn the heat off, remove the custard from the heat. Okay guys, now the fun part, to assemble. You can do really anything you want over here. The way you want to assemble your dessert, go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna start with pineapple and the vermicelli that goes in the bottom. I have greased this little pan here, the little glass dish with butter. And now, as much as you can, just press them down a little bit. And now I'm gonna add the custard. I'm not waiting for the custard to get cold or anything. I'm just gonna pour this custard over. Just make sure all the vermicelli covered, and pineapple. You don't have to put all of them, just spread some on top. And then I also have some almond chopped, like sliced almond. You can really do whatever you want here. Peanuts, almond, pistachio, dry raisin, some ground pistachio as well. It just looks beautiful. And your pineapple vermicelli pudding or pineapple vermicelli custard pudding is ready. It is warm. Leave it on the counter, on your kitchen counter. Let it cool completely, and then put it back. Put it in the fridge. Let it set. Right now you are not able to cut this because it's not set yet. This has to set between maybe 4 or 5 hours, or I'm going to put this overnight. And then tomorrow morning I'm just gonna slice it, and then you can serve. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna add the ingredient down below in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye.